Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. Today for happenings in malware news. Poland accused the Russian Federation of carrying out a large-scale cyber attack targeting top Polish government officials in a recent email hacking scam. A vulnerability discovered in the wireless network in Apple's iOS was found to disable an iPhone's ability to connect to a Wi-Fi network. The Water Sector Coordinating Council published a report on the cybersecurity posture of water and water waste utilities in the U.S. and a survey by the council. 14% of residents said that they suffered an IT security incident, while over 4% were hit by incidents involving OT systems in the past year. Cybersecurity firm QuickHeal detected a new batch of 8 apps laced with the Joker malware that had a cumulative download count of 50,000 on the Google Play Store. The U.S. state of Colorado's Senate unanimously voted and approved the Colorado Privacy Act to safeguard the personal information of the state's residents. Good job, Colorado. Hope that you have a good week and stay safe from malware attack.